already 11:17 a.m. Ang pasok ko ay 12:30. I'm using this Vaseline Lip Care. Ay! May class ngayon. Hanggang mamaya wala na. Uwi na tayo.
Bye-bye!
Always nasa or business is like for example, if I have 1 million, from that, what else? What other characteristics?
So, I just got home. Ang gagawin natin ay gagawa ng assignment and magno-notes. So, dumating na rin pala yung parcel ko. Pinaka-last na parcel ko. Grabe, ang tagal dumating. 3 days siyang nandun sa hub. I got my new parcel. It's a facial moisturizer. Nakalimutan ko magkano ko lang ito nabili. For 2 na siya. So, buy one, get one. Kumuha kami ng Graham balls. Walang stretch. Masyadong tunaw. Yeah. So, it's already January 10 and it's Saturday. Ginagawa natin yung cabinet ko na may drawer. Today is January 22, 2026 and it's already 11:22. So today is Thursday, so it means it's PE day. Maaga tayong papasok ngayon. Gagawa kami ng choreo ni Bev. So bali next week, exam week na namin. And then after nun, foundation day. So yun nakuha pala namin tuna festival. More on motion lang naman ang kamay yung ginagawa namin. Tatanggalin ko lang yung mga unnecessary na gamit ko. Kasi PE lang ang pasok ko today. Siguro mag-iiwan lang ako ng isang ballpen, tapos payo, wallets, and bidet. Itong bidet na to, yung portable na bidet siya. So here, nagbe-braid ako ng hair since ang peg namin is mermaid. Yung ganito. But we ended up wearing black shirts kasi wala kami nahanap na nude leotards. And here, kita nyo na in-help ako ni Pao gumawa ng headdress ko. I-ready ko na yung base ko dito para doon lalagay na lang yung fish effect. Kahapon, tinry namin maghanap ng leotards or ng long sleeve na nude. Pumunta pa yung mga kaklase ko sa Taytay kaso wala talaga silang nahanap. Meron silang nahanap pero ang mahal kasi 250 ang isa. Tapos small pa lang. Tapos pag higher size naman mas mahal pa. Kaya, nag-decide na lang kami na mag-black shirt na lang. Para at least, hindi na kami gumasto. So, tatapusin ko lang yung look ko ngayon. And, I'll be back. So, this is my look. Ginawa kong ganitong shade yung lip para mag-stand out pag nakasmile. Sa lalagyan namin ng parang anong tawag sa ganun? Lalagyan namin dito hanggang dito.
Sipaw.
Yan, very good. Did you
Perfect. Mama, may sipaw. Hello. Uy. PM? Are you excited to live?
Yeah.
Pogi nga, pogi, pogi. Up. Time check, it's already mag-1 na. So, nakarating na kami dito sa... Saktong 1. Nakarating na kami dito sa airport and on time kami. Pero hindi pa open yung check-in. Magpapaprint na lang kami ng boarding pass. Kakain na kami. Nails.
Mine's
My
pretty.
nails. Thank you. Nailed by Kim. Yeah, it's worth it. Oh. Mika, show your shoes.
It's hard.
Dumaki lalo. Upa.
Lupa.
Upa. Ikaw, sino ka? Si Marista.
Sa Marisriano.
Gumagana yung wifi ko, Dad.
nandito na kami sa gate namin. 1:54 pa lang. Yung flight namin is 4:45 a.m.
Bibili muna kami ng food.
Outfit check. Outfit. Hey, show your clothes. Ikot, turn around.
You on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of
Uy, Erika, tingnan mo yung buka mo. Tino, may buka. Tino, baby. It's snowing, guys. See that? This is real. Erika! The struggle is real, you know? Ganito. Baga! Baliktad sige.
Ito na naman.
Thank you.